Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from AI Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your password if you have forgotten it on Soulful AI. So let's get started right away. First of all, let me open up the Soulful AI application and tap on my account icon at the top left corner. Now if I tap on the gear icon, I will end up in the settings page where I can find the logout button. Now after I have logged out from my account, I will still be able to use the application a little bit. In order to log in, tap on the same account icon at the top left corner and you will see a Continue with Google button. This is the only way to log in or sign up to Talkie AI, which means that if you tap on Continue with Google, you will simply be asked to select your Google account. After you tap on your Google account, you will automatically be logged in to your Soulful AI account. This means that there doesn't even exist a password for your account on Soulful AI, which means you never need to remember it. And I hope this answers your question about forgotten password and password resets for Soulful AI. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.